Hello, welcome students to our another session of lectures here. And today we will discuss on some other topic of the Linux administration, and lot of session of lectures we have discussed regarding the shell programming or many like other some redirection of streams also we have discussed, and a bit discussion we have done on vi a little bit. So now along with that we will continue to discussion with some another vi features, which is actually some advanced vi features. So that's why we will discuss this in the way in advance vi feature. Sometime again we have worked with vi before also, and perhaps you have find helpful to know those features. Some of the features we will discuss here also. uh, Many of the feature generally not available in other editors, and if you can customize your command or editor requirement, then it will be uh, manifold easy for you also. Now let us start our discussion about the operator. So you know that many of the useful functions in the command mode are derived from a combination of an operator and a command. So there is some combination of the operator also is possible, and some combination of operator and command are also possible. And most probably it will be the strong feature of the vi that it allow to combination using the combination of command. So how can we do that? We will discuss, and with the help of operators, actually you can frame a command to handle practically any situation. There are only a few operators, and you must know at least some of those operators. So among them, let us move to the next slide here. So one of the operator is D, stand for delete. Like other operator like C stand for change. Another Y operator is there, that is stand for young operator or copy operator. You can say it as young or copy operator. And there is some other operator exclamation mark, that operator using for actually filtering. But you have to understand that an operator alone cannot perform any function unless it is combined with a command or itself. So you cannot use any operator alone. So you have to combine the operator with some other command or itself. That means we have to combine the operator itself also. When you will combine with itself, that means simply, that means using twice. So when you use twice the same operator, then it will be able to handle a very specialized function. Now let us discuss a bit elaborate operator wise, and let us start our discussion starting from uh, deleting and moving text operator. So this is for deleting and moving text. Now some of the operator you have already used, perhaps, like small x, capital X, and dd, and among those operators actually these are actually using twice the dd is really a combination of the d operator with itself. So dd is actually an example of combining an operator with itself, and variator in vi, it can perform some complex deletion when this operator is combined with the command of the command. So you can combine these operators with command also. Now let us take an example here. So consider that you have to delete text from the present cursor position to the end of line. Now the present cursor position to the end of line means where the cursor currently is there in your screen, starting from that position up to the end of that line. So here you can frame the comment, and here you know that dollar is there, dollar command is there to uh, move to the end of line. So dollar is used for that purpose, and here if you combine this dollar operator with the d operator, so what will happen here, here it is an example of combining an operator with a comment. So here you are combining the d operator with the comment dollar. So it will perform also combiningly, means as you are using d dollar combined, so the purpose of dollar is to move cursor to the end of line, and purpose of d is to delete. So both of the tasks will be performed. Cursor also move towards the end of the line, and delete also, delete operator, d operator also going in delete one by one up to that position. That's why combinedly it will perform the task of deletion from the current position of the cursor up to the end of line. So this is an example of how we can use the combination of operator and a comment. And some other example also can give that any special, however, you can notice that how a specialized function could be divided by following a simple set of rules. As an example, the command to delete a word, that is you can use as dw. So it is also an example of combination of operator. So dw means delete word. D capital G, it should delete text from current position to the end of file. These are some example of how we can use the different combination of the operators or operator and comment to do our needful task. Now you can uh, put a repeat factor also here. So and that is also a very useful thing, that if you put a repeat factor according to your need, then the task will be more customized according to your needs. Here it is an example that you know already you have discussed DW. Now if you write 3 DW, so by writing this we can delete 3 words, means DW will delete word and 3 DW will delete 3 word. So here in place of 3 you can put any number. So this comment, by putting the repeating factor, you can use more usefully according to your need. And in the same way, there is another example of 5DD. Suppose, so DD is for, it will delete lines, and here if you use 5DD, so 5DD stands for, it will delete 5 line including the current file also. So in this way you can use this type of operators according to your need. And for using operators to move text, there are no special consideration will involve. We can delete the text using any of the command dd x, small x or capital X, and then place the delete text at a different location with the small p and capital P command. So this is here is some example you have given, that how we can use this type of operator for this purpose. And here the deletion or this type of comment will behave also differently depending on where what is the situation and where the operation takes place. Like the same way, small p and capital P will behave differently depending on whether the deletion affects entire lines or parts of lines. Whenever it will work with the entire line, small p puts text below the cursor and capital P places text above the cursor. However, when you delete a word with DW, in that case, you can put the deleted word only to the left with the small p, or right with the capital P operator or comment. Actually, these are the comment. So small p or capital P, these are the comment. So it will place according to left or right from the cursor position. So in this session of lecture, up to here we are concluding. We will continue in other sessions. So thank you.